What's up, guys? Another video here. About to hop on a plane to LA, go pick up the whip. Okay, right. Yeah, go. Just touched down in lovely Los Angeles. Let's go get our freaking ride. Now, I don't think anybody's here to pick me up, so we're gonna have to hightail it over there, figure out a way to get there. Alrighty, guys, what's this?
Nacho tacos.
Nachos and tacos?
Oh, nacho tacos.
Oh, good look. We finally made it off the train. Oh man, it's like a whole different world on that train. Can't wait to get back to my car. And guys, I'm so excited. Like, look how well this matches up. You remember this fender was black, this bumper was red. Everything blends in nice with that door. You can't even tell it was hit. Oh my God, it's going back up for sale, guys. Maybe I'm able to get my my Corvette now pretty soon. Most of you probably don't know, I had a sale for this car a couple days before I actually wrecked it. So we'll get these pictures taken back up. Hopefully try to get this thing sold, because you already know we're trying to upgrade our life, man. Everything is about upgrading and progressing. I remember you from last time. What's up, bro? Now you good? Appreciate it, Antonio. What's up, little man? So they helping you today, huh? Cool. Well, I'll be back shortly. Okay, all right, thank you. Be back. So yeah, man, Antonio got me right. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the road. Oh, man. I was freaking enjoying my car too much. Oh my God, they was about to take me to jail. Oh man. The coolest cops ever, dog. That's crazy. I don't even want to start my car right now. I'm gonna just wait till they pull off. That's crazy. All right, man. Y'all be safe, man. All right, thanks. Man, whew, had me in the back of that thing sweating bullets, boy. Oh my God. But we are good, guys. No ticket, no nothing. They pulled me over because, of course, I'm in this new fresh ass paint and I was sliding. Like, I ain't gonna even front. I was sliding this motherfucker all in the gear, boy. Oh my God, they had to pull me over though. But the dude was a real cool dude, man. He liked cars and shit. So he put me in the back of the car, showed me what that shit felt like. And I for sure didn't like what that shit felt like. So, man, yeah, it's nothing in the car, of course. You know, I'm a good person. So yeah, man, we live to see another day. Let me just bring you guys up to speed. I was pretty much not hauling ass, but hauling ass, and fucking my exhaust is super loud. So he was like, yeah, that's why we pulled you over, because your exhaust was super loud and you were just hauling ass right past us. Meanwhile, I didn't even see the guy. Like, I didn't even see him. I was too into like just the music and enjoying the car. Like, it was so crazy. So they finally catch up to me, like at least like 2 miles down the road. Like, I'm on a whole different street. They come out of nowhere, light me up. I'm like, damn, what I'm getting pulled over for? Fucking pull me out the car, put me in the back seat, man. I was in that thing sweating bullets. Like, oh my God, not today. I got work tomorrow. I cannot go to jail today. I cannot get my car took, man. First he had me in the back seat, was like, yeah, man, so why is your license suspended? Meanwhile, my license just expired and I had recently renewed it. I'm just waiting for the actual ID, but I have the paper that proves I have my driver's license. So meanwhile, he was in his computer bringing up stuff from 2015. Like, why is your license suspended in 2015? I'm I'm like, bro, I don't know. That was 4 years ago. Like, it probably was suspended. What about these failure to appears? I'm like, yeah, I had a ton of failure to appears, but I took care of everything. So it's like nothing. Like, I know I'm legit. Just linked up with one of my bros. About to see if we can get a little cruise action in before I dip out or something. Basically, these guys are the shares. So, you feel me? If they want to be dicks, sometimes they could be dicks, you know. If you want to be an asshole with them, it may be a different situation. So he pretty much seen I was a cool guy, you know. I mean, of course, after being in the back of the car, you know, pulled out of my vehicle, put in the back of the car and everything, you know, with nothing to do. Of course I'm gonna be cool. Like, what am I to do? So after he stopped interrogating me, pulled me out the car, it's basically like, you know, slow it down, of course, you know. And then he actually told me he was a car enthusiast. So he was talking about how he had a really nice old school Monte Carlo, and that he was gonna keep it stock, and you know, blase, so on and so forth. But I didn't get a ticket, and I didn't get anything, but I did get a lesson learned. I was not trying to be in the back of that police car on the way to jail right now. Like, I got a whole daughter. Like, I got work tomorrow. Like, I got stuff to do, you know? Like, I'm a cool person. Like, I may be black, but, you know, I am a cool person. So, it is what it is. I appreciate the cops for letting me go. You know, it could have been a totally different situation. You know how it go. But, yeah, man, I'm happy to have the car back. It's looking really nice. Antonio did his thing on this one, man. Just look at how well it matches up. Like, the red and the fender, remember how it was like totally like you couldn't even tell now. Like, it looks so good. Like, man, just flawless. Remember how it was like a nick right here in the paint from the rock chip? That's why I'm trying to wait till at nighttime to like head out, so it doesn't be too windy. Man, this thing is nice, dude. I'm so happy. It's ready to sail, man. I might keep it though. Not even gonna front. I might keep it. I'm gonna wait about another 2 months though before I probably really sell it. So we'll see. Look at how we got outside set up, man. Back in action. We got the Trailblazer SS. This was the project I was telling y'all about. This dude dropped his phone in water, but you feel me? Got everything over here. That's Trailblazer. SS. More SS's. What? So as you see, pretty much got everything you would want here. You got the SS/ZL1 slash. You got the Vet. You got another Mero. Got the Trailblazer SS. Got a little bit of stuff here and there, man, all in the cut. But this is a cool little setup you would want to have, right? Digging this paint though, man. Ooh wee. Tony really outdid himself. I like it better than when it was first done. It looked way cleaner, like not rushed at all. We're on our way back to Las Vegas. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, guys, we just about made it to Las Vegas, man. And that wasn't that bad of a ride. It was actually no traffic at all, so that was a plus. And everything worked out pretty good with this thing. No issues at all. That's a blessing, man. This thing is running so lovely. I can't even complain. Like, I'm just loving this car right now all around. I'm loving how this thing freaking just matched up. Antonio actually went over a couple extra spots. Not just the front bumper and that fender. He actually had to do some of the rear bumper too and stuff like that. It was a bunch of little stuff here and there. So Antonio got me right, man, which I'm super excited about. I'm excited about this new car feel. Like, as you guys see, I was freaking dogging this thing earlier, and police pulled me over. So you see how good I was feeling, apparently, you know. So I guess I got that out of my system, because I'm definitely not trying to be getting pulled over no time soon here. Comment below if you guys want any like car reviews on this Cam supercharged beast, and like the reliability of it. You know, a lot of people have Cam built cars and all that, but they don't really tell you how reliable they are. And I built my car, cam, supercharged, a bunch of little stuff, fuel injectors, blase. And the reliability factor is just so great. I'm literally driving maybe about 1,000 miles every couple weeks or so, and I have no complaints about the thing. I just love it, dude. But I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in with me, man. We done woke up, got on a plane, headed down to LA, picked up our car, man, and it was looking super nice. Got pulled over, got pulled out the car, got put in the back seat of a police car. Got a lesson learned, man. It was just a real long day, and then on top of that, we had to drive like 5 hours all the way back to Vegas. So I mean, just now getting back, guys, and I'm tired as heck here. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch those ads as it helps me here bring you more content. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Want any type of like Camaro updates or Camaro reviews, or what you think I should do with the Camaro, just comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. As for the Altima, guys, I'm not gonna even lie to you, like I low-key kind of forgot I had that car, like just because I haven't really drove it yet. Like when I get those type of cars, I usually just daily drive them to work, if anything. And I haven't touched this thing at all. I've been so like focused on like this Camaro and just getting everything ready and done with this. So we're not gonna put anything in from the Altima this video, but next video we're definitely gonna be getting some progress made on that thing. And I'm sorry to hold you guys up on it. This was just my biggest priority right now. So it actually sprinkled a little bit today, so I want to get that back window for the Altima today right now. Could have got it a couple days ago. They just happened to close when I hit them up. So yesterday I couldn't get it because I had to go pick up my Camaro. So today I may have a little time, but we're trying to go home really quick and see if we can get that taken care of. But yeah, that'll be in the next video, so no need to worry about that. But yeah, peace.